Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to customize sales forms in QuickBooks Online in 2025. Whether you want your invoices, sales receipts, or estimates to look more professional or match your brand, this tutorial will make it super easy. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to create sales forms that leave a great impression on your clients. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the gear icon at the top right corner of your dashboard and select Custom Form Styles under the Your Company section. Here, you'll see a list of any existing form templates. You can either edit an existing form or create a new one by clicking New Style and selecting the type of form you want to customize: invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Next, it's time to customize the design. You can choose from several pre-made templates or start from scratch. QuickBooks lets you add your company logo for branding, change the color scheme to match your business colors, select fonts for headers and body text to make your forms more readable, adjust the layout to include or remove columns like quantity, rate, and total. Once your design is set, move to the Content tab. Here, you can add or edit default fields such as customer messages, payment terms, and even custom fields for special notes. This ensures every sales form you send has all the details your clients need. Next, click Preview PDF to see how your form will look to your customers. Make sure everything aligns correctly and looks professional. Finally, save your template. From now on, when creating invoices, estimates, or receipts, you can select your customized form from the drop-down menu, giving your business a polished and consistent appearance every time. A pro tip: you can create multiple templates for different types of clients or services, making it easy to send forms that are perfectly tailored to each situation. And that's it. Customizing sales forms in QuickBooks Online is that simple. With these steps, your invoices and receipts won't just look professional, they'll also strengthen your brand with every transaction. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an easy QuickBooks tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.